Okay, Assalamualaikum, a very good day. Interesting. I would like to discuss a little bit about the forum that you have discussed based on the video that I have prepared. Okay, let's look at the we'll pick up several response from this class. Okay, I guess this is about the attendance list prepared by the employee. Okay, three weaknesses. Okay, first one is human error. Okay, it is prone to human error. Okay, one of the weaknesses. Another weaknesses is employee can commit cheating because it's manually, unless in this case most probably the employee record on her own. Okay, unless there is supervisor who certified, right? Third one, time consuming. I think if the person record on her own there and then immediately, it's not an issue. Okay, suggestion, track remote employee mobile attendance. Okay, a good suggestion, but how about the cost? Is it free? Is it you have to develop, or is it you have to purchase or acquire from external party, and how much? Okay, and what are the requirement for the system? Another one, ensure hours are complete and accurate. How to ensure? Okay, the last one is use of attendance software. Okay, so nowadays you can purchase a machine record attendance or punch card. Okay, that's a simple one. Alright. Okay, let's look at the another one. Okay, this one is related to the invoice. Okay, mentioned clearly to Dewa Marketing. See, this is the supplier, this is the customer. Okay, 23 units, price 13 ringgit and 50 cents per unit. Anomaly is something not normal. Okay, business name of the seller and seller address not shown. Okay, contact person, invoice show no client name. Alright, should have client name. Payment term to 10 entity or something like that. Okay, good. No payment details stated. So this is invoice. So once you hand over or deliver goods to customer, normally we issue invoice as a claim document. Okay, right. Okay, the third one, business case. Okay, based on destination and potential benefits set out within business case, business support decision in ensuring that planned operation will have esteem and relative needs compared to elective activities. Since the business case must clearly describe potential expenses to be incurred as well as risks associated with it, it is essential information for evaluating the role. So, okay, Romaizatul did in general touch a little bit about what is required. Invoice, okay. The information related to discount, early payment, okay, no terms, no seller address, no customer address, no details how to pay. All right. Okay, I think it's the same. For example, current system cannot be supported due to high volume. Okay. So the reasons should be mentioned clearly. Faziana, let's say business case captures reasoning for initiating a project or task. It is often presented in a well-structured. Okay, so general. I think no share. Nur Izzah. The emergence of new industry, new product, new services must have has contributed to no small measures to IT. This is achieved by huge advanced in technology as well as current searching internet commerce. Okay, general, very general. Exists when there is request to upgrade. Okay, Lavanya. Okay, this is related to okay the attendance system. High chance for fraud when recording own working hours. Take more hours to calculate for salary manually. Yeah. And details might be changed, can be easily stolen. Alright, if lost, what happen? Company must change the manual system to take. Okay, agree. This can give a great information, right? Okay. Based on commencement project, the seed project, the department or the company needs to prepare a business case to provide justification. Business case contains vital information. Alright. Let's say another one or two. Business case are made to assist decision makers guarantee the proposed activity will have a esteem. Okay. Renita. Identify 3 weaknesses. Okay. 3 weaknesses. Now we talk about weaknesses. it is actually self-recorded. Okay, so to what extent self-recorded is self-recorded or self-declared declaration is valid. Okay, yes, you can have self-recorded, but you have to make sure there is somebody to check and verify. Okay, more time devoted to payroll. Need some more explanation. What does it mean? Employees can commit time theft. Okay, cheating. Okay, there is possibility. How do we know that she came on time? She left on the set time. Okay. About OT, nobody mentioned about OT. Employees can suggest steps the company can improve the above system by using automated tracking. Okay, automated tracking software. Yes, I did mention earlier. How much is it? The cost, whether we have expertise, whether we can develop, or whether we have to buy from outside. Okay, so the cost must be considered. So, okay, I will comment on the next video.